Okay guys, so we're going to move away from balanced or not and just look at all unbalanced equations and learn how to balance them. So we're going to start with number 1, and so you're going to have to do these on a separate sheet of paper, unfortunately. So number 1, we have H2 plus O2 yields H2O. Alright, so let's start. Put our line down to separate our reactants from our product. Alright, now these are separate, so I'm going to put a square here. I'll tell you why. H, put a square here, the line to separate them. This is O. This is all one formula, so I'm going to put one big box, H, O. Alright. Over here, right now I have 2 atoms of hydrogen, and right now I have 2 atoms of oxygen. Over here, right now I have 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Now I'm going to get a different color marker so I can see what I'm fixing or rearranging. Alright, hydrogens are equal right now, so I'm going to look at my oxygens. If I want to get this oxygen to 2, like that one is, I can put a 2 right here. But I have to remember, whatever I'm doing in this box applies to the H. So if I change that, this is now a 2. 2 times 2 would make this 4. Right? Okay? Now, these are equal, but this isn't. So what could I put in front of this H to make this a 4? A 2. Because 2 times 2 is now 4. So now let's try to put this up here. Coefficient of 2H2 plus O2, because I didn't change that one, reacts to yield 2H2O. Check it. Law of conservation of mass. I have 4 atoms of hydrogen. Yep. 2 atoms of oxygen. Yep. And on my other side I have 4 atoms of hydrogen. Yep. 2 atoms of oxygen. Yep. So now it is balanced. Yay! Okay, let's try another one. Let's try number 2. So we have magnesium plus oxygen yields to react and make magnesium oxide. Let's try this again. So, Mg, put a line to separate oxygen. Over here, one big box because they're together, Mg and O, because whatever affects one affects the other. So right now I have 1 atom of magnesium, 2 atoms of oxygen. Over here I have 1 atom of magnesium, 1 atom of oxygen. Now I'm going to change color markers. Alright, these are equal right now, so I'm going to focus on the oxygen. Quick fix would be to put a 2 right here. 2 times 1 is going to make this 2. But it also affects this. 2 times 1 makes this 2. So oxygens are equal now. Magnesium, I need this to be a 2, so I can put a 2 out front and made this a 2. So let's check it. Coefficient 2 here. So now I have 2 atoms of magnesium, yes. 2 atoms of oxygen, yes. Now I have 2 in front for a coefficient. 2 atoms of magnesium, yes. 2 atoms of oxygen, yes. This is now balanced. Yay! Alright, try it out on the rest of them. Ask your neighbors for help. If you come up with a really good way to figure out how to do this, share it with the class. Okay, I'm sure this is not the only way. This is what works best for me. Good luck.